Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manually remove content from Kindle Paperwhite. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of our screen, navigate to the settings, enter device options, then scroll down and look for storage management. You can enter it, and here we can do manual removal, and now you can select the category of files that you want to remove, for example books, Audible, docs and the others. So in this case we're going to go for the others, and we can remove child profile content, unsupported files or system files, and you can do the same thing in each category. So we can go for the books, and then you will see all of the books. You can click on them and then remove them manually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.